Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your network adapters drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type device manager. Now click on device manager as you can see on the top here. Now expand this window. Now you have to look for network adapters in this list. These are other adapters. Now you can see here network adapters. Open it. If you double click on it, it will show you list. Now go to Intel R wireless AC and just right click on it. Now go to update driver. Now you can see here search automatic for drivers. Click on it. As you can see here, my drivers are already installed. You can see from here. Now how to check for updated drivers on Windows 11. This is for checking the latest update. As you can see here, just click on this update and your newly update will get downloaded from here. Now you can go to advanced option. Now under additional options, select the optional updates. As you can see, optional updates. Now expand the driver update section. If a network driver update is available, select it and click and download and install. As you can see, my network optional updates are not available this time. Now I will show you how to uninstall an update. So for example, I don't want this real tag. Just click on right click on it. Now you can see this uninstall device and my this update will be get installed on my device on my Windows 11. And that's it guys. Now you know how to update your network adapter. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.